BOTAPP Fastener. Fastener for board fixing. Our BOTAPP fasteners deliver superior holding power with a 6-serration countersunk head profile that requires low installation torque, self-embedding, prevents overdrive, and anti-loose features. The 11 wingtip drill point eliminates the need for pre-drilling, offering quicker penetration and reduced man-hours. Featuring our wingtip technology, it reams a hole in wood or board to prevent thread engagement during drilling. This helps avoid cracking, especially in fragile materials like gypsum, which can easily break or fragment. Our BOTAPP fasteners are tested for up to 1,000 hours of salt spray test. Suitable for steel and timber applications like gypsum board, particle board, chipboard, outdoor wood board, and cement board, commonly used for wall and ceiling installations. Speak to our customer service for your board fixing solutions today.